The History of Ice Cream in America.
Brought to you by
Astrid Cortez,
Cyndi Nieto, and
Sabrina Samano. There are different types of desserts out there, such as donuts,
cupcakes,
and of course, cake. Even though these desserts and many more exist,
can't we all agree that ice cream is the best?
Yes, we all love our ice cream, but do we really know much about it?
How did it arrive to America? What happened that made ice cream as popular as it is today?
And how do you make it yourself? Don't worry, we will answer all those questions by the end of this video.
Hello, my name is Sabrina Samano. Hello, my name is Astrid Cortez. We will be making homemade ice cream, as well as learning how it arrived in America and global popularity. This will be a delicious historical.
We recommend using whole milk, but any milk is suitable. We use hazelnut creamer, but you can use half and half. Vanilla extract.
Bowls to hold the ice cream mixture and to place the ice cream after we were done making it. You have to use small Ziploc bags to hold the ice cream mixture. We use the big Ziploc bags to hold in the smaller ones and the ice while shaking it. Of course, you need ice to keep the ice cream mixture cold, spoons. After you gather these materials and ingredients, you are ready to begin making your ice cream. First, you pour 4 cups of whole milk. Then you add the creamer of your choice to the mixture. Add vanilla extract. Fun fact, did you know that it's only medicine? Now add sugar to your mixture. Add 1 teaspoon if you don't like it as sweet. Add 2 if you do. Then you have to mix it together. You will need your big Ziploc bag now to put ice and salt in it. Pour your mixture into the small Ziploc bag. Seal it tightly so it won't spill. Fun fact, did you know that ice cream wasn't very popular in America for a very long time. The very first time that ice cream was acknowledged in America that we know of was in 1744, because a guest that attended a party hosted by Maryland's governor described the icy treat. A confectioner by the name of Philip Lensley advertised ice cream all day, featured in the New York Gazette on May 12, 1777. Even our presidents at the time helped increase the enjoyment of ice cream in America, because George Washington bought $200 worth of ice cream during the summer of 1790, which is about $4,500 now. He even had ice cream molds in the shape of his face, as you can see here. Thomas Jefferson is credited with the first known recipe that came from the United States of America. And guess what? His ice cream was vanilla too, just like the one we made. Madison had a history with ice cream with his wife Dolly. She created strawberry ice cream for the banquet in the White House, like we mentioned before.
Ice cream wasn't only easy to get, it had become popular. During the Prohibition and the market crash of the 1930s, ice cream was bought more and more, not only as a luxury, but because it was extremely easy to get, and it was obviously very delicious. During World War II, ice cream's popularity increased even more drastically because new flavors were introduced using artificial ingredients, and in 1945, floating ice cream parlors were created for sailors in the Western Pacific.
A few new flavors that were introduced were chocolate, cherry, and birthday cake.
Ice cream is so amazing. It deserves its own special day. Our former President Ronald Reagan thinks that idea because he then declared July as National Ice Cream Month and licensed it as National Ice Cream Day. We love you, ice cream.
Ice cream started to spread even more as it transitioned from being a delicacy for the rich to becoming something that the public could enjoy. Nancy Johnson's invention of the ice cream maker helped make ice cream more effectively and quickly. Because it was so easy to make, more people could savor it. If it hadn't been for her, who knows how long time would have passed until there was an easy way to make ice cream and keep it chilled. As time went on, other companies saw the potential in using ice cream as a means to gain a profit, so they began an industry for it. People play a key role in this because they are the ones who spend their well-earned money on that sweet cold treat. And obviously it worked, because the mechanization of ice cream helped spread it further and permitted it to raise in popularity.